Hi teachers, this is chapter 3 of my thesis template. So if you would like to use my template, you might as well check how to use chapter 1 and chapter 2. I created a separate video for those and the link is down in the description. So this is chapter 3 again. Open the file and from the navigation menu, just click on chapter 3. So this is chapter 3 and it tells about the summary, the findings, the conclusions, and recommendations. So first, the summary is just a copy of the specific problems, and you are to explain the methodology in 1 to 3 paragraphs. Yes, you're going to summarize that. You have to delete this. So this chapter presents the summary and findings of the study, and based upon these findings, conclusions are drawn and recommendations are proposed. So this is your summary, just copy it. This is actually the summary of my MST Math um, thesis. And then the findings, so it's a separate page again. So again, what are you going to do? Go to break page, and then you're going to start in a new page. So it's a separate page, and then the findings should show the most dominant information per subproblem. So go back to your chapter 2 and discuss what's the most dominant there. So it's a per table basis. So I have 5 things here. And then for your conclusions, it should be a separate page again, and it is going to answer the main problem. Okay? So do not discuss anything else. Just make sure that your conclusion answers your main problem. And then for your recommendations, you are going to start in a new page, and these are to be made recommendations are made by research based on the findings of the study. So do not make a recommendation or an output that is not based on your study. It should be based on the findings of your study. Okay, so these are your recommendations. And then on the last bit, what are you going to propose? So if you're going to propose a system, if you're going to propose remedial studies, if you're going to propose something or adopt something, then that will become your outcome. So, or your output of the study. So it should be placed 1 page after the recommendations. It should be starting on a separate page. It can be an action plan or those that can be immediately implemented, such as seminars, brochures, and manuals. And if it is an action plan, presented in a tabular form, and it should be in landscape format. Okay, so these are just the bits there. So we are going to discuss reference and appendices as well as curriculum vitae in the next series. So again, if you find this video helpful, you can share this to your friends and your colleagues. And then again, if you would like to receive an update about my uploads, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.